What's up, guys? This is Rogue 9239 Gaming, and today we have the Brian Deegan Metal Militia 1/18 scale rally car. Sponsored by everybody: Ford, Rockstar, Makita, Suzuki, all that stuff. DVS, MSR, Alpine-Star, FX decals, Luxol, stuff like that. This is an awesome car. It's made by Atomic. If you want to get it, it's on eBay for $79. Every other place it's $100. So it's sponsored by Rockstar, as you can see. So we're gonna take a look around the box. You got all the stuff on the bottom there. You can see that. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So, sorry, I zoomed in instead of zooming out, so it was my fault. And then, you've got the back showing you the powerful, the very powerful 370p atomic motor. You got the adjustable oil-filled shocks. It's a Boss. And then, if I suggest, you see those right there? Buy 2 of those. 2. Because the battery life is not long, so buy 2 when you get it. You can buy them off the website. It's very easy. And then one thing I like about it is, see the part numbers? That's another cool thing I like about it. See the parts about it? It's a cool thing. All you gotta do is go to the website and type in the part number and it comes right up. So, there it is. I don't even want to get to that part. There it is. So sexy. I mean, let's cover up. Sexy beast. Baba. I hate Rockstar. Okay, I got it 2 days ago, and I painted that. Spray painted that. This is cool. Oh, crap, that just come off. That. That's cool. The motor itself is pretty cool. You got the motor, you got the battery slot, shocks. Oh, maybe I can do that. They're adjustable shocks. You just pop this off, pull the spring up, and then you twist that thing and it shocks. And some way this has a off-road and on-road setting. I just gotta figure it out, and then I'll let y'all guys know. And that broke. You can tell the difference. Yeah, whatever, you can too. But it's pretty awesome. It's got a 2.4 gigawatt, whatever you call it, engine, radio. You can, steering, throttle reverse, trim it. Got it's the cool thing about it. I'm gonna get more body kits for this, and if you would leave a like and comment below telling me you can buy any body kit for a 1/18 scale, that would be awesome, because I'm not sure what to do, because I'm not, if it fits a Ford Fiesta, I don't know, because I can't find no models, big body kits. My friend told me that I could get any body kit and put on there. If you would just leave a like, comment in the bottom for me, that would be awesome. So that would be it. More to come. A lot more, because I just got a GoPro. That'll be coming up maybe next week, week before, who knows. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe, please. I need the subscribers.